lovely people, how you going? Alright, this time we are making grapefruit, lime and coconuts. Yeah, not going to do anything special, just going to do green and orange in a white base, I think. That's just generally what I normally do with grapefruit, lime and coconut. I'm not sure, I've got the fluorescent orange there, I'm not sure I want to use that with this soap. So I'm just going to get a normal orange. Be navel orange, which will be something new for me because, no, it won't be something new. No, I've used it before. This Aero mica, however, this green I haven't used before. That's a new one. So, alright, let's give this a whiz and then see where we're at. Okay, let's give this a whiz and let's get started. I don't get stuck in, I don't know. Oh my god, just wow. That was probably the most amount of bubbles I've put in a soap yet. I do not care. I just don't care. I have some soap dough flowers over there, so I think I might use them on this. Alright, that's pretty good. So I'm going to part it out on camera, possibly on camera, possibly not. That's probably way too much. Well, that's what we're doing today now, apparently. That's what we're doing. Why did I move those? I don't know. All of a sudden I have lost my mind. Well, I don't know if it's all of a sudden, but I'm going to do lots of mica in these so they are super bright. Would have used orange pop, but don't know if I've got any. And would have used lime spider, but wanted to try this. This is a more of a pastel green, probably not the best companion for the, well, that's a lot of mica. That's probably way too much mica. Well, anyway, it'll be green. Yeah, it's probably not the best in terms of brightness to go with that orange, but that orange is not like orange pop. It is more of a pastel orange, so yeah. Alright, so what we're going to do is let's just have a little look and see how this behaves before we stick blend. Bring the mould over just in case everything goes pear-shaped. Not sure why I'm mixing it with that, it's a bit weird. It smells like grapefruit, lime and coconut. Does not smell. It just smells like I would think it should. It's quite nice actually. It's not overpowering. It's not. There's not anything. There's not too much of any one fragrance in there. So it's nice. Yeah. No, it's not rising. It's behaving really, really well. Very good. Okay, let's bring this over here. Probably not going to have enough of this mix now. I didn't think of that. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. It's just soap and it will still clean and it'll still look fine. It's all good. Nothing but positive vibes here right now. I'm going to put some titanium dioxide in this. It's just a bit noisy to mix up, so I do it off camera. Just because, I mean, it'd probably look fine without it, but I just want it to be just a little white, especially if it does discolour. this way it might not. I cannot for the life of me remember if other brands of grapefruit, lime and coconut actually discolour or not, so yeah, I don't know, don't remember. Such a pretty orange. Alright, well, we have three very loose soaps here, which is bloody brilliant. I don't know. I don't know if I want to do a drop swirl now. These are all so well behaved. Look at it. It's just brilliant. Yeah. This is great. You could definitely use this for something a bit more complex, which I'm not doing because I have not made plans for. I don't know what to do. Let's do this. Actually, it's setting up a little bit. That's actually setting up a lot. Okay. Do it that way. Yeah, maybe not anything too complex. I don't know if any of you are eagle-eyed enough to notice that I have not been making any little smell mist for the market. I'm kind of over it at the moment and have at this point in time decided I am no longer doing markets or anything like that. I'm still selling online, but at this point I've pretty much just had enough. So yeah, just pretty much had enough. Been working pretty hard for a long time and not really getting the results that I would like, you know. And you've got to at some point realise that, you know, the amount of work that you put in is not equal to the amount of money that you're getting out of it. So that's why I now have a job and am not sort of worrying so much about other things. Now, back to the soap, because that's the important thing here. It has definitely set up thicker in the green than it has in the orange and in the titanium. The one that's got the titanium in it is way looser. Now that could be because it's in a bigger container. A bigger container sometimes will stop your soap from setting up because it doesn't hold as much heat. Like, because there's so much more area, it doesn't get as hot, whereas in these smaller containers they condense the heat a bit. Although, in saying that, you can see that this is still reasonably loose, right? Whereas this green, I don't think I can pour that. It's not pouring, so this aero green has definitely reacted with the fragrance more than the other two. So it's like I always say, it's not just about your batter, it's about the colours that you use too. That makes a difference. people don't seem to know this, which is quite interesting. You know, no, like it doesn't get talked about a lot by some of the bigger soapers. And that wasn't a dig at Keely, because she mentions it. You can use your own imagination as to who that's a dig towards, but I can think of at least two. But, you know, it's a general consensus about me and my dislike of at least one other soaper. I just don't like people giving out information that is detrimental to other soapers, especially to new soapers, or doing things purely because they're more aesthetic than safe. And that shits me up the wall. So, because while soaping I don't find to be overly unsafe, there are things that you can do that can make it unsafe, like soaping in glass. I mean, you can come at me all you want. If you're soaping in scientific grade glass, you don't have a problem. But normal glass will etch, because soap and lye will eat into it, and it is not safe to soap with. And I will fight you on that. But yeah, just one of my little bugbears. And we're not putting those flowers on here, although, there you go. Why can't we put flowers on there? Let's see if we can't give it some kind of little nice swirl. We have nothing to swirl with. Where did that go? There it is. As I say, I did have a... Now I'm not going for any sort of interesting swirl, just a swirl. That green, I can feel it. It's not moving. It's like chunky. Wow. It's always interesting to see that happen. Okie dokie. So we have a few left. Oh, I can't do this in gloves. Oh, I'm going to have to waste a pair of gloves, but that's okay. I've got to do another soap. I cannot put things on top of a soap in gloves. Let's do those three, because I'm pretty sure there's only like, oh no, there's, whoa, no, it's got a leaf on the bottom. Although I probably could put some leaves on here. That one's got a yellow middle. And then let's go with just the orange ones, I think.
They're so cute. Oh, they're so cute. These are so simple to make, honestly. I just use soap dough from Pimp My Soap because it's brilliant shit and I don't have to make it and I'm lazy, so that works for me. How many have we got left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Not enough for another soap, so what we might do is somebody's going to get... Oh, cockhead. Absolute cockhead. Seriously. Why? You've got to be like that. Fine, that's probably going to get cut a little bit. Oh, whatever. That'll do. I don't really like the leaves very much. I think the leaves are kind of dodgy looking, so I'm not going to put them on there.
But yeah, I just used soap dough from Pimp My Soap and just rolled it out with a clay roller and used a little flower cutter and then put them in the palm of my hand, and in the petals, see if we can get it to focus. You see in the petals there, I just used little ball stylus and just sort of pushed into it with the ball stylus and and made the dints, and it sort of made them sit up, and they just, I don't know, like they're cute. They're not special. And then the little bits in the middle, all I did was a different colour. Again, let's see if we can focus. Did a different colour, and then just got a little sharp, I don't know, needle or something, and just dotted it into the middle there, just to give it a bit of texture. That's it. That's simple to make. I mean, I can do it. I can do a little video for it if you want. But yeah, that's pretty simple. Alright, well, that looks pretty good. It needs glitter, because it doesn't everything. Whatever that is we're using. Oh, that's Blizzard. Because I haven't had enough of this up my nostrils today, apparently. We love Blizzard in this house. Alright, that's it. Should be nice. Be a bit stripy on the inside. Alright, I'll see you for the cutting. Ta-da! Hello. Oh, this looks really nice. Doesn't smell bad either. It's, well, I don't, maybe it does, I don't know, I can't really smell. I've just realised I can't really smell. It's not strong. It just smells like grapefruit, lime, coconut. That's it. That's what it smells like. Oh, very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Get a little flower on the top. Again, another one that's looking like it's discolouring as it's hitting the air. I don't know if it is or not. Let me have a look, see if it's discoloured. GLC, where are you? Control, jam, blood, Gucci, jam. Yeah, it went a bit yellow. That's the control. So you can see it did go a little bit yellow. So it'll be interesting to see if it goes ick in here. Looks good though. Really like it. That's one with 2 flowers. No, this is pretty. What did we do? I don't even remember. Did we just pour colours one by one? I think we did, didn't we? Who knows? Oh, I'll remember when I watched the stupid editing. I hate editing. I don't even know why I do it. I don't know why I don't. Probably because I don't want them to be stupid long and have like loud stick blending and stuff. But considering how much I dislike editing, it's a wonder I just don't put them straight up just the way they are. I think we've got some interesting movement, not swirls, but movement. You can definitely tell how loose it was down the bottom and how much it thickened up towards the top. Oh, definitely. The little flowers are just so cute. Oh, there you go, that's it. Alright, next soap. Alright, I'll see you for the next one. Bye.